Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Today I am going to show you Arowana Aquarium's showroom in Murakabat, Dera, Dubai. Okay, Dera Al-Qabisi Murakabat. This beautiful showroom has a variety of beautiful fish, corals, aquariums, freshwater fish, saltwater fish, decoration pieces, fish food and other accessories. This is what? What is this?
This one is freshwater also.
Freshwater also. Yeah. Freshwater plants and fish. These are Nemo saltwater fish and the price of each piece is 55 dirham. And this is another beautiful fish. All the aquariums need proper maintenance. The aquarium should be filled with clean tap water. In the aquarium there should be a heater to maintain the temperature of the water, and there should be an air pump to create more oxygen. Fish will also need some nice underwater plant life, and the bottom of the tank should be lined with stones or gravel. Other ornaments and decoration pieces should be added prior to the fish to avoid causing them any stress. Fish need very little amount of food to survive. If you give too much food, they will die. These are angel and the price of one piece is 5 dirham. These are tetra, I think. These are the decoration pieces, so beautiful. And the prices are also written with of each, I think, aquarium. The big one is 52. This is 39. 52. 70 dirham.
All included. All included. Includes everything. Decoration, the filter, the light, all 273.
Okay. Our shorts. What is the price of this fish?
This is koi. 10 dirham one piece.
10 dirham one piece. This also shark?
That is koi also. Butterfly koi.
Butterfly koi. What is the price?
10 dirham.
10 dirham. We cannot play with goldfish. Fish. And the price is?
That one is 45.
45 one piece. Okay. These are corals. Unlike rocks, corals are alive. And unlike plants, corals do not make their own food. Corals are in fact animals. They are made up of thousands of tiny animals called polyps. The price of each coral is about 400 to 800 dirham. They are very expensive. Sin and the price is 85 dirham. Corals, Pen and Nemo need salt water to survive. After buying few things from this showroom, we returned to home. And now I will show you my aquarium. This is my aquarium. We have bought angel fish from Arowana Aquarium showroom. Other fish we have bought from Sharjah Bird and Fish Market. Few goldfish we have bought from Rika Night Market. We have put heater, air pump and decoration pieces. This pineapple and jellyfish we have bought from Amazon. Octopus and other artificial fish we have bought from Pakistan, and other decoration pieces we have bought from Sharjah Bird and Fish Market. This is fighter. We have also bought this fish from Sharjah Bird and Fish Market. It lives alone. If it is placed with other, it will fight. We have few more fish, but they were fighting with each other, so we kept them separately. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye and take care. Allah Hafiz.